my human right was violated because they did not follow the rules. Ang ilang pagbutang nako sa silda was unlawful. Kaya nga no, there is this thing called the segregation. That's rule number 1. Once matsud ang usa ka detainee, you have to segregate them. And one of the purpose for segregation is to find out who among these detainees should be given special protection or special treatment. One of those are the PWDs, the women, and the senior citizens. Kaya mga tao nga dunay medical condition. So, sa ako pa lang daan, whether rich or poor, no? Ako daan sa akong pagka-senior citizen, 65 years old na ko, and doon ako aning sakit nga diabetes. Whether you like it or not, Madam Governor, I am already special. I should be afforded that special treatment. Di ba tagid po sa police nga ilang i-violate na nga rule. One of the lawyers will come here, no, makapas matingali, but he has the pertinent laws nga i-violate anang police karon. And in fact, even the katong police doctor nga ni overrule sa findings sa atong doctor sa district hospital is liable for malpractice. So, sa ako palang kondisyon daan, sa akong pangidaron, dapat special magit ang ihatag nila na treatment nako. If di sila gusto sa word na special treatment, special protection magit ang ilang ihatag nako. Kay why? My question is, can you handle me? What if my blood sugar will rise and I will be suffering from hyperglycemia? Can you handle me? Labaw na sa Talisay, kanang inyuhang silda diha, maka-handle mo usa ka tao nga musafir hyperglycemia, and worse ang hypoglycemia nga dito po mata na. Can you handle that? Naada mo'y doktor, naamoy nurse diha. So, this is a wake-up call for all police custodial facility. No, na you should shape up. Kaya dili lang kay tungod nako magkuan mo. No. I am referring to the 1,000 senior citizens na detained anong mga police custody. Grabe ang may tabo nila.